Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country, and you've met me here today at this stunning 5-bedroom Regency townhouse, 12 Beauchamp Avenue, one of the most sought after addresses in Leamington Spa. The property has a benefit of a beautiful landscape garden and a 1-bedroom coach house at the rear. Let's take a look inside. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this stunning property. You join me outside in this beautiful rear garden. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thanks for watching.